Elderly couple's throats slashed in Portland. Police investigators are yet to make a breakthrough in the murder of two senior citizens in Mount Pleasant, West Portland, and are urging members of the public to share information they might have on the murder of the returning residents.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Police have identified the two victims as 74-year-old Charlie Anderson, a retiree, and his 71-year-old wife Gail Anderson of Manchester in England. Deputy Superintendent of Police Troy Horton said that they were alerted by residents shortly after 1:30 p.m. on Friday, June the 22nd, when the partially burnt body of Charlie was found in close proximity to the Mount Pleasant Primary School. Shortly after, the partially burnt body of his wife was also found at a different location. Both bodies had wounds to the neck and face. We are making every effort to bring closure to this crime, and as such, we are getting assistance from our area headquarters and also from technical services in Kingston. Our detectives are still in the area carrying out investigations, added Horton. Charlie and Gail Anderson had retired to Jamaica after living in Manchester. They had 4 grandchildren and 1 great-grandchild, and had been married for 55 years. Former neighbor Kishore Singh told the Press Association they were 2 of the most beautiful people in the world. Charlie was like a father to me. They were just beginning the next chapter of their lives, retiring to Jamaica before this terrible tragedy. He said Charlie Anderson had been building a house in Jamaica and had been going back and forth over the past few years. He added that the Andersons moved to Jamaica for good about 12 months ago, having lived in Manchester for decades, but had been back in the UK recently after falling victims to credit card fraud. Preliminary investigations have revealed that the British national was defrauded approximately $8 million and reported the matter to the police before they were found dead. According to a family member, between August of 2017 and May of 2018, a total of 45 credit card transactions were made at prominent hardware stores and supermarkets in Portland without her knowledge. Police have not ruled out the possibility that the persons who carried out the scam were also behind the killings. Residents of Mount Pleasant said they were shocked by the killings. Jerome Eslap, a farmer, said he's baffled by the murders. The couple, who were also known as Alford and Florence, have given so much to this community, and they have never said no to anyone. Each time they are in Jamaica, they bring back shoes, clothes, tablets, foodstuff, school items, and other stuff for the residents. It is a wicked and sinful act, and the community has lost 2 great people. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.